Hello children, how are you all? Children, today we are going to learn 3 sounds and the first sound is sound of letter I. Now I will sing the song for this sound. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink it spread all over the desk. Inky is. Yes children, this is the action for the E sound. E, India. E, India. E, ice cream. E, ice cream. E, iron. E, iron. Now children, we'll go to the next sound. Hear the aeroplane, Hear the aeroplane, Hear the aeroplane, Making lots of noise. Yes children, this is the sound of letter the sound of letter N. Now the words for this sound is nest, nest, nut, nut, nurse, nurse. Now children, we'll go for the third sound. Puff on the candles on the pink cake, pink cake, pink cake. Puff on the candles on the pink cake, pink cake. Yes children, this is the sound for letter P. Now we'll say few words with the P sound. Parrot, parrot. Piano, piano. Pan, pan. Now children, practice these sounds at home daily. Parents, help your child with the sounds. Thank you. Bye-bye.